Today I'm finally doing my cosplay face paint tutorial that everyone has been asking me for over and over and over. And I've tried several different paints and methods over the years, but this is the one I found that works. I forgot the horns when I was filming the actual makeup process, so just pretend they're there at the end. You'll see. This is all the makeup I use in this tutorial. I'll be putting everything in the description, but I've highlighted the most important products and what to use them for. First, put your wig cap on to get your hair out of the way. If you're using contacts, put those on now as well. It's much easier to put them on now than later. Primer isn't required, but it does smooth out your skin and makes putting on makeup easier. Ben Nye Character Base is a secret to how I make my face paint look so smooth. It acts like a foundation underneath the paint, giving you a base to build from. You can apply it with your fingers or brush if you really want to. It's a cream paint, so you don't need to get it wet. You only need to use this on your face, not your neck. Ben Nye isn't the right color for Troll Gray, so you'll need Maroon Starblend and Light Gray or Snazaroo to get it to the right color. Use a sponge and dab the paint onto your face. Unlike the Ben Nye, the Starblend is water activated, so you need to get the sponge wet. Use swiping motions to cover your neck and ears in paint. Your neck doesn't need to be as smooth as your face, so swiping motions are fine. It also just takes too long to use dabbing motions on your neck. Put down multiple layers to get your paint as opaque and smooth as possible. Next, you need to highlight and contour your face. Putting on gray paint erases all your facial features, so you need contour to draw them back on. I use a dark gray Krylon aqua color paint for contour and white Starblend for highlights. Put contour under your cheekbones, on the sides of your nose, under your jaw, and at the top of your forehead. The idea is to add darkness where shadows naturally fall on your face, because those shadows disappear when you put on gray. Next, put highlight on the places where light naturally hits your face. That's down the middle of your nose, on top of your cheekbones, directly under your cheek contour, and at the base of your forehead. Next, get your gray Maroon or Snazaroo again. To blend the contour, just dab the gray directly on your face. Adding another layer of gray blends out the contour pretty well. Don't rub it, just dab it on. Ain't no use in diving. What's the use of diving? Straighten up, line right. Straighten up, do right. Ain't no use in diving. Now we're gonna start looking like a person. The gray paint erases your eyebrows, so you need to draw them back on with eyeliner. I use a black cream eyeliner and an angled brush, but any form of eyeliner works. Carefully draw over your eyebrows and fill them in. For Eridan, I like to draw my eyebrows thick and blocky and put a little shark fin thing on the end. Lots of Eridan cosplayers do this, I don't know who started it, and I just think it looks cool. Next, you need to redefine your eyes. Use a gray eyeshadow palette and shade in your crease. Start with a medium gray and go back and add depth with black. We're basically contouring your eyes to give them some depth. Use purple eyeshadow on your lids to add some color. Further define your eyes with eyeliner and mascara. Using a black eyeliner, thinly line your eyes. For masculine makeup, I like to draw a small, subtle wing. I also tightline my bottom lid halfway to make my eyes look bigger, but this is optional. Gray paint erases your eyelashes, so whether you're doing masculine or feminine makeup, you have to use mascara to make them visible again. Next, we'll use purple eyeshadow to add blush. Put the blush on your temples and on your cheekbones. Alright, finally, seal your paint. Seal your paint, seal your paint, seal your paint. This is the most important step of this whole tutorial. If you want your makeup to last, you have to seal it, or you will sweat it off. Use lots of baby powder and hairspray or setting spray for cons. Finally, let's put on the finished cosplay. Be very careful not to rub your face paint off. In case anyone's curious, there's a link in the description to the base wig I used for Eridan. I hand sewed on the purple streak. I'll also include a link to the earphones I use. I bought the scarf off Amazon and I made the cape. And we're done! Again, I forgot the horns when I was filming this, so just pretend they're there. Please. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you've got any questions, please comment them down below and I will do my best to answer them. Come on and slam! And welcome to the jam! Did I mention seal your paint? Seal your paint. Please seal your paint. Seal your paint.